Hey, what's up, fam? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make some absolutely delicious, see that right there? Hey, biscuits and gravy. Hey, we going down with some delicious sausage gravy. I'm gonna show you how to make that. And then these right here, these are on sale. And all you gotta do, cook these to the package instructions and you will be in the game. So the ingredients, as you already know, will be listed in the description box below. So go ahead and grab your ingredients and follow along so you can make some absolutely delicious, hey, biscuits and gravy. We're gonna be in the game. Hey, we got that Jimmy Dean. We got some regular pork sausage. We're gonna brown this and get this recipe started for these biscuits and gravy. Biscuits and gravy, just a classic breakfast, brunch, hey, dinner time recipe that comes together along very quickly, especially if you're not making your own biscuits. So while we browning this meat, I'm gonna add me some of my baptizing Cajun seasoning, and this is gonna elevate this flavor profile. And you seen I went with the regular Jimmy Dean sausage, so no sage, but you can go with sage. They got all different types. You got mild and you got some maple, but today we're going with the regular, and then we're gonna elevate these flavors from there. So we got our meat where we want it to be. I'm gonna add me about a tablespoon of butter, and we do have some residual fat from the sausage in this pan, but this butter is going to give it a little bit more flavor. And after that butter is melted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add me a couple of tablespoons of flour, and we're going to cook this flour for a couple minutes with the sausage. You already know what we about to do. We about to make some absolutely delicious sausage gravy. After that flour tastes cooked out of there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some heavy whipping cream. Hey, we got 16 ounces. Now we're gonna let this come up to a simmer, and then you'll start seeing it thicken in. What I'm doing right now is I'm adding in some thyme, about a half a teaspoon of that, and then I'm gonna go back in with about a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to overpower your flavors. You want everything to be complementary to each other. If you don't have Cajun seasoning, you can go with cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. But my Cajun seasoning, it does have pepper, it has salt, and it got, you know, garlic, all those ingredients, some extra ingredients in there that make it absolutely delicious. As you see right here, hey, take a look at that. And you got some nice thick gravy. Hey, we're in the game, fam. Like I said, this is a super simple, super easy recipe that you can make in the morning. Hey, you can make it for brunch. You can make it for dinner, anytime that you want it. I got you in the game. So now, fam, we got that absolutely delicious gravy. Hey, yes, sir. Look at that right there. Hey, we are in the game. Now, all we got to do is take that, and then we're going to place these over these biscuits like that. Yes, sir. Look at that right there. And you can do this in the comfort of your own home. You got biscuits and gravy. No need to go to a restaurant. Hey, just tell your fam, your friends, that your boy Kicking with Main Focus got you in the game. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hit it with just a little bit of garnishment, and that's some Italian seasoning. Now you see right here, I got my setup. I got my biscuits and gravy. Got me some scrambled eggs and a little bit of bacon. You know you can't go wrong with that. But hey, let me get a piece of this right here. Hey, because this is the star of the show, is that those biscuits and that gravy. I know I'm kind of moving a little awkward, so I'm doing this backwards, but yes, sir. Get that right there. Hey, we're in the game, fam. Cheers. Now that right there, hey, yes sir, that's on the money. I got to turn my plate around so I can go back in and get me another piece of this right here. But yes sir. Simply delicious, so simple, and it's amazing. Let me know in the comments when you eat your biscuits and gravy. Are you doing it for breakfast? Are you doing it for brunch, lunch? We doing it in the evening? For me, hey, I can do it anytime. Now, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video, this content, biscuits and gravy. If you like this content and content like this, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get the notifications as well. Now, for my focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what your boy the coach is about to do. I'm about to get back in the game, call some plays, and smash into these absolutely delicious biscuits and gravy. And we'll see you guys on the next recipe. We're in the game.